Imagine buying a rechargeable hair clipper for an affordable price and discovering that it performs as if it is worth more than the price. Today, I will be unboxing the Itel Hair Clipper Classic 2 Pro. I will be showing you everything that comes within the box, and at the end, we'll conclude if it is worth buying. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I review all the gadgets that helps you to get the best value for your money. Now, let's get started. Now, here's the package. The box has a clean premium design which already gives a good impression. Now, let's open the box and let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, we have the Itel Hair Clipper Classic 2 Pro. As you can see, then we also have a charging cable. We have the cleaning brush. Then we have the lubricating oil. Then we also have the guide combs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We actually have 6 guide combs. Then we have the user manual inside the carton. Everything is neatly arranged, which I like. Now, the first thing I noticed after picking up this clipper is the build quality. It feels solid in the hand and it is not cheap at all. The design is also quite stylish. It looks modern and premium despite being a budget-friendly clipper. Now let's talk about the features. The clipper comes with stainless steel cutting blades designed for smooth and precise cutting. Also, it is rechargeable, meaning you can power it with your power bank. As you can see, the battery is at 90%. Here are the things I like about this clipper. Number one, It feels well built. Number 2, the USB charging makes it feel more convenient. Number 3, it has a good cutting performance. Number 4, it has a comfortable grip, like you can grip it comfortably while using it. 5, great value for money. I got this clipper for around 23,000 naira at the shop around Ojodu Bega, Lagos. And looking at the price, it is very affordable compared to clippers by other brands in the same category. Now let's talk about what will be better concerning this clipper. The clipper lasts for an average of 240 minutes according to what is written on the carton. So if you are a professional barber, you might find this as a limitation because you cannot cut customers hair for hours using this without recharging. But if you are just a student, a traveler, or anybody that just wants to use it for personal use, not professional, I think this is the best choice for you. This is what you should go for. For the average Nigerian user who wants to maintain a clean cut or a clean beard at home, I think this will be a smart purchase for you. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have used the Itel Classic 2 Pro Hair Clipper, please share your experience in the comments. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be more than happy to respond. Importantly, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button. I'll be bringing you more reviews of different gadgets and tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.